Hello.
Welcome to London, Josa.
Hello.
Hello. How are you? Have you turned into an English person? Hi everyone. Welcome to Heathrow, London.
My first time at London.
Hello, Josa. Welcome to London.
Hello.
Welcome to London, Josa.
Hello.
Hello. How are you? Have you turned into an English person? So we are at Heathrow Airport, guys. पहले कुछ essential काम कर लें, फिर उसके बाद आप लोगों के साथ I'm gonna explore Heathrow Airport. Yay!
I'm so tired.
Look at me, मेरा हुलिया देखिए.
Me too.
मैंने अभी लगाया हुआ है.
Mine too.
We are like crazy messy right now.
No, we're so
बहुत ही बुरा हाल है.
tired.
Okay, जी. We're waiting for our train that will take us to our terminal. Okay, so we are done with our security and everything. This is a security area. We are done with that, and now we are just in the main Heathrow Airport where we're supposed to be departing from. But अभी हमारी flight में बहुत time है. We are gonna have our flight in another 6 hours. We have Harrods and all those British stores, which I would love to see. Yummy, yummy. Let's explore Heathrow.
Wait a minute. We need to meet Harry Potter.
You want to meet Harry Potter?
We
You wanna
need
say-
to.
Okay.
Where is he?
Look guys, अभी तो हमने exploration शुरू भी नहीं किया and this is what we found. Harry Potter shop. Oh my god.
I was talking about Harry Potter and then we found a Harry Potter shop.
I know. Dun 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 dun. Can I quickly go and look? Please, please, let me just look. Okay guys, we're just gonna have a quick look into the shop because हमें अभी नमाज पढ़नी है.
Oh my
Oh
god.
my goodness, look at the shop.
They actually have the Harry Potter.
Amazing.
Does it have the wall? They even have the wands.
Yeah, the wands and everything. Oh my god, does that keep moving?
Leviosa.
Leviosa. करना जैसा तुम्हारा?
Leviosa.
It's not Leviosa, it's Leviosa.
Useless chopsticks. Yeah, it was a while ago. I think this one was pretty cool.
I really think you should buy something.
Alright, we have taken a short break. Just बैठी भी यहाँ पे अपनी tablet पे खेल रही है because we have a really good Wi-Fi here. So just is enjoying gospel.
I'm playing Toon Blast.
Okay, good. Move your hair from your eyes, please. Okay. Oh my goodness. I haven't seen them in the longest time. Payphones. Nice. This is their multi-faith prayer room, which has all religions praying area. You can take your shoes off here. They have Janamaz and there are Bible, Quran Sharif here. This is amazing. MashaAllah, at Heathrow Airport. Prayer room. Women and men of all faiths are welcome to use this facility. Okay, चल पड़े हैं दोबारा क्योंकि अब हमें लग रही है भूख. So now we're gonna eat something. Find a quieter place, sit there और थोड़ी देर के लिए करेंगे relax because मैं थोड़ी अब tired हो रही हूँ. 6-7 घंटे की फ़्लाइट थी, उसमें बिल्कुल भी नहीं सोई. So now I feel like taking a nap probably before my flight. So if there's a quieter area, I can just take a small nap. So let's grab something to eat and then we sit. Ji Jaza.
It's 2:20 something or 2:30 Canada.
We are feeling sleepy right now because it's night time in Canada. It's past 12, so it's like midnight.
We're used to Canada.
Yeah. Feels just like any other mall. Shopsy shops. All the shops around here, it's just like a mall. They have Starbucks, of course, and they have all the brands. I also saw Christian Dior here. And they have JD Sports, जो कि अजय का favorite store है, and he just straight ran to that one. This brings back so many memories. Oh my god. यहाँ पे आके shopping करना, travel करना. When I was about Ajay's age, we used to come here every year. So nostalgic right now. It just brings back amazing memories. So we have a bunch of shops around. फैंसी schmancy. Oh, Dior की एक और शॉप. Dior ही Dior है भाई यहाँ तो. It's a brand for bags and shoes and everything. So another brand. Wow, amazing. We have, of course, Hermes or Hermes. I don't even know how to pronounce this one. जिनके bags जो हैं, you can't even find at the shop. You have to order them or something. कोई इसका चक्कर है. Tiffany and Co. हाय हाय, यहाँ तो सारी महंगी दुकानें हैं. Oh my goodness. यहाँ पे मुझे आके सिर्फ एक ही गाना याद आ रहा है. I could have my Gucci on. I could have my Louis Vuitton.
There's Gucci here too.
But even
There's
there's
Gucci right there.
nothing on. Babe, I made you look. Ishmanzi. Gucci. Lovely. Chalo.
Okay, let's go. There's Louis Vuitton.
And then we have Burberry. Wow. All the fancy shops here. Wow, jiva.
Expensive $1 million shops.
$1 million shops.
Just kidding.
Oh my goodness.
Okay,
Rolex. Paul Smith. Oh my goodness, they're not ending. It's like these shops are like all going on and on and on.
There's so many shops.
Okay, gee.
Oh, there's some food and drink.
Okay, we have some food and drink here. Is this regular? This is Louis Vuitton shop. जो मैंने कभी नहीं देखी ज़िंदगी में. सच्ची बात है. I've never seen this in my entire life. I'm first time seeing. Louis Vuitton, but even with nothing on. Floor downstairs. Now going up. खाने का हमें अभी भी समझ नहीं आया कि हम क्या खाएं. Still looking for the food we would wanna eat. So just gonna check quickly upstairs if you like something. Since it's breakfast time, यहाँ बैठ के हम breakfast करेंगे जज़ा. Yay! So line up है. We're gonna be sitting inside and see. Alright guys, we are seated now.
I'm so
We're
hungry.
gonna order. We are all very hungry. Good thing कि यहाँ पे veggie breakfast का option है. We're gonna try this one, which looks good. And मज़े की टेबल है. मज़े का रेस्टोरेंट भी है ये. Looks amazing. और हमें ना अच्छा सा व्यू भी मिला है विंडो के साथ. सुबह हो गई है यहाँ पे. So yeah. Hey guys, हमारा नाश्ता आ चुका है. Breakfast is here.
Not for me.
Amazing.
Okay.
Can I take a video?
You're gonna have sauce here, okay?
Alright, breakfast done. Alhamdulillah. बस अब ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे नशा आ रहा है और बस सो जाएं क्योंकि रात का वक्त हो रहा है हमारे पास. It will be a night time, so we're gonna probably find a space to take a short nap. ओके जी, टाइम आ गया है वॉइस ओवर का, क्योंकि इस टाइम तक ना एयरपोर्ट पे आई गॉट सो टायर्ड कि मेरी इतनी हिम्मत भी नहीं थी कि मैं कुछ बोलूं। बस मैंने जल्दी जल्दी क्लिप ले लिए। ये हम लोग रिलैक्स कर रहे हैं। अजर और जज़ा जो है ना वो नैप ले रहे थे। मैं और ताहिर बस बैठ गए थे, हमसे सोया नहीं गया क्योंकि वहाँ पे बहुत शोर था। बच्चे तो फिर भी सो जाते हैं ना, उनको कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता, बहुत टायर्ड थे तो थोड़ा सा उन्होंने नैप फिर भी ले लिया। अजर इस वक्त बैठ के जो है ना वो आधा नींद में झूम रहा है आप लोग देख ही सकते हैं। तो बस फिर हम लोगों ने यहाँ पे 2 से ढाई घंटा और वेट किया होगा, 2 to 2.5 आवर्स। और फिर हमें अपना टर्मिनल जो है वो स्विच करना पड़ा क्योंकि हमारी फ़्लाइट वो डिफरेंट टर्मिनल से चलनी थी। तो बस अब वी आर हेडिंग टूवर्ड्स आवर वेटिंग लाउंज। और यहाँ पे इस एरिया में बैठ के हमने अपनी फ़्लाइट के लिए वेट किया है। दैट वाज गोइंग टू रियाद, हीथ्रो टू रियाद एयरपोर्ट के लिए। और ये हमारा प्लेन है। और इंशाल्लाह इस फ़्लाइट का रिव्यू आई विल बी गिविंग यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो। प्लीज़ कीप वॉचिंग। दिस इज़ अ होल ट्रैवल सीरीज़ दैट यू विल हैव टू फॉलो इन ऑर्डर टू नो दैट हाउ वाज माई इंटायर ट्रैवल, और मेरा जो है ना एक्सपीरियंस क्या रहा पूरी फ़्लाइट्स के साथ। ठीक है ना जी। आगे उम्रा भी है और उम्रे की फ़्लाइट के एक्सपीरियंस भी हैं, ट्रेन भी है, ट्रेन का सफ़र भी है, सब कुछ है। तो you will have to watch all the videos. Please support me. Do watch my videos, like, comment and subscribe. Till then, take care. Bye bye.